This is REALME GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So, to start, you will need to launch Settings onwards. If you would like to go for the mobile data usage in particular, you will need to open Mobile Network category. In here, tap at the data usage and, well, check the data usage for each individual SIM card you have inserted. If you would like to see your Wi-Fi data usage, enter the Wi-Fi category of settings this time. Tap at these three buttons over here, go into more settings. Then, obviously, you will need to open the Wi-Fi data usage page. And here you have your Wi-Fi data usage as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.